wow. We love the mares. We love the mares. We love the... Oh, I hate those mares. Okay, so now where do we go? Mr. Brilliant Ideas. Hey, what's that sound? Some kind of machine, I think. Maybe a drink machine? Drink machine? Somehow I doubt it. Something on the ground. What is this? Ew, don't lick it. Ooh, it's salt. Good. I'm dying of thirst and you're licking salt? Whoa. Whoa. I think we might be a little out of our league. This murder's tricky. Why do I hear jingling? Do you hear the jingling? I hear jingling. I don't hear anything. Well, I think we're definitely out of our league. Come on. We better get back home before someone notices we're gone and thinks we were kidnapped. Yeah, I guess so. I'm just really hoping we could help those girls. If they're still alive. I mean, like, if their brains haven't been eaten yet. Yeah, that's what I mean. That's exactly what I mean. What is that? Whoa,